Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a short and sweet video. Literally sweet, but it's sugar-free. Does that make sense? We are going to make some chocolate mousse that is sugar-free. So it's very keto friendly. We're going to start with this one Cool Whip that is sugar-free. And I mix it right here in this bowl so I don't have so many dishes later to wash. This is really, really good. You really need to try it. It's so simple. I'm going to add 1 box of the sugar-free chocolate instant pudding mix. Once we get that kind of mixed together, you want your Cool Whip thawed, by the way, because it's easy to mix that way. But you can put it back in the freezer once it's all mixed together, and it's kind of like ice cream almost. But I don't do it that way. I just leave it right in the refrigerator, and when I want a little snack, then I just get it right out and get me some chocolate mousse. But with this, I'm going to add a little bit of unsweetened almond milk because the almond milk will thin it just a little bit, make it easier to mix in the bowl. But when you put it in the refrigerator, since it has that pudding mix, it's going to thicken up some. So once we add all that in, we're going to pop the lid onto it, and then we're going to pop it right in the refrigerator. But now you can make this and put some sugar-free chocolate chips. It is so versatile that you could put anything on it that you like. Pecans maybe. You could also make a crust with like crushed up sugar-free cookies that have butter in it, and then you can put it in your oven and make a little crust, a pie crust, and then add this on top. The possibilities here are just endless, and it's just so good. But for me, the simplest thing is eating it right out of that tub because I'm the only one that eats it anyway. But it is good, and I really, really hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me or not cooking with me today. Hit that follow button if you haven't already so you don't miss any recipes. I upload videos once a week. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.